What's up, you guys? So I promise I do a follow-up video on the Tesla Model 3 AC smell, and I greatly appreciate the comments and kind words you've said about the previous video that I've done on YouTube. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll post a link up in the video here on how to fix the smell in your AC. So again, 30 days has gone by and nothing as far as smell or mildew has been spewing out through the vents at all. I've done the 1-can Cool-It brand spray in the coils. I've taken out my cabin filters. They did not smell, so I did not replace them. If yours do smell, I'd highly recommend replacing the cabin filters. But mine did not smell, so I just vacuumed them out. I put them back into place, and then I fired up the car, and I've driven about 500, maybe 600 miles. And every single time I get in the car, I don't smell anything at all. I still smell the clean smell from the Cool-It can. What I regret is not putting 2 cans in, because I did not fully cover the entire evaporator coil section in the center console here. So I recommend getting 2 cans. There's just not enough quantity, in my opinion, in 1 can. But for my situation, I still only did 1 can, and it still seems to be working just fine. If the smell does come back, I think maybe the next couple months, I'll use 2 cans for sure. But as of right now, there's no smell at all. So you may ask, do you have it on the recirculation mode, or do you turn this off when you're driving? To be honest, either one that I use, I still don't smell anything at all. No mildew period at all. I typically like to leave it on the recirculation mode just because I don't want to smell other emissions coming in, or gas fumes coming into my Model 3. So I pretty much always leave it on this. But I have tried a couple times driving with just non-recirculation mode on, and I still don't smell any type of mildew or moldy smell at all coming from the AC vents. So Tesla has pushed a software update to all its Model 3s to fix this AC issue, meaning they'll run the fans longer when you exit the car. That was 2019.12. I'm currently on 2019.32. So if you still have that mildew smell, give your coils a good clean or scrub down with that foam cleaner. Possibly replace your air filters if they stink. It is unfortunate you're spending so much money on this type of car. You should not run into this issue at all. But if you don't want to pay Tesla $100 or $200 to go to the service center, simply just do this little fix like I mentioned before. I've read some service centers have actually replaced the filters and cleaned the coils for some owners. I'm not one of them lucky ones. Here in Raleigh, they said it's not covered under the warranty, which it is unfortunate, so I decided to clean it myself and not pay the $200. So another option, guys, if you don't want to get that foam cleaner, you could also use Lysol, and a lot of you have already done this. It didn't work too well for me, but remove the top panel like so, just pop off, put your fingers under there, and here's the intake valve for your AC unit. So when you have the AC running on high, you can grab your Lysol, spray it inside here, let it suck it into the evaporator coils. But before you even spray it in there, make sure you remove your cabin filters, because if you spray it in there and your cabin filters are inside, it's just gonna collect inside your filters and not actually reach the evaporator coils. So again, watch my first video to remove the cabin filters, and then spray your Lysol in there, and you can run the fans on high, and that may be a temporary fix for you. This did not work for me, but is another option that may be available to you. When you're done, this just goes over the top again, and just kind of, there you go, snaps back into place. So that's my follow-up video on the AC fix that I've done a month ago. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, just post something in the comments. I always reply back to anybody that comments on my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.